Hydrangeas are popular flowering shrubs known for their large, colorful blooms. They come in various varieties and can thrive in different climates, making them a favorite choice for gardeners. Here's a guide on growing and caring for hydrangea flowers. 1. Choosing the right hydrangea variety. There are several hydrangea species, including bigleaf, Hydrangea macrophylla, oakleaf, Hydrangea quercifolia, panicle, Hydrangea paniculata, and smooth Hydrangea arborescens. Select a variety that suits your climate and garden conditions. 2. Planting location. Hydrangeas prefer well-drained soil with good organic content. Ensure the soil pH is slightly acidic, around 6.0. For optimal growth, choose a location with partial to full shade. Morning sun and afternoon shade are ideal, especially in hot climates. Plant them in the spring or fall when the weather is mild. 3. Planting hydrangeas. Dig a hole that's as deep as the root ball and twice as wide. Place the hydrangea in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the ground surface. Backfill with soil and water thoroughly. Space hydrangeas according to the specific variety's recommended spacing, typically 3–6 feet apart. 4. Watering. Hydrangeas need consistent moisture, especially during the growing season. Water deeply and regularly, but avoid waterlogged soil. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to keep the soil evenly moist. Mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture and control weeds. 5. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring, following the package instructions. Avoid excessive use of high nitrogen fertilizers, as this can lead to more foliage growth and fewer blooms. 6. Pruning. Pruning requirements depend on the hydrangea variety. Bigleaf hydrangeas bloom on old wood, so prune them immediately after flowering to remove spent blooms and shape the shrub. Panicle and smooth hydrangeas bloom on new wood, so they can be pruned in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. Oakleaf hydrangeas also bloom on old wood but require minimal pruning. 7. Protecting from frost. In regions with cold winters, protect the plants from frost by covering them with burlap or using other protective measures. 8. Changing bloom color. The flower color of some hydrangea varieties can change based on soil pH. Acidic soil, pH 6.0, produces blue flowers, while alkaline soil, each 6.0, results in pink flowers. You can adjust the soil pH to influence bloom color. 9. Pests and diseases. Hydrangeas can be susceptible to pests like aphids and diseases like powdery mildew. Keep an eye out for any signs of infestation or disease and treat accordingly. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow and care for beautiful hydrangea flowers in your garden. Remember that each hydrangea variety may have specific requirements, so it's essential to research and follow care instructions tailored to your chosen type.